Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Full Stack Adda. Today video is about switch enhancements in Java. There are four enhancements to switch statement: list of case constants, switch expression, yield statement, case statement with arrow operator. First, we will learn about list of case constants. Normally, if we want to execute some block of code for more than one case statements, how do we write? So to know that, just look at this example. Here we get the month name as an argument for this switch statement, and we need to return the number of days. For January, March, May, July, August, October, December, there are 31 days. So that's why we have written these seven case statements, and within this block of code we are assigning 31 to number of days variable. This same example we can rewrite using list of case constants as below. Here we can write all those constants within a single case statements with the comma separated. So here if you look at this first case, January one string constant, comma, March and May, July, comma, August, October and December. Within this one we are assigning 31 to number of days. So if we compare both example, here within single case statements we are writing all the string constants. But in the previous example we need to write seven case statements, right? So that using the list of constants we are able to optimize our code. And the next enhancement, switch expression and yield statement. Switch expression is simply switch statement which can return some value. So how it can return a value? Using the yield keyword it can return a value. So look at this example. Since switch is an expression here, we need to write the semicolon at the end of the statement, at the end of the switch statement. And this is how we can return a value from a switch statement. Using the yield keyword, we can return a value. And we don't need to write the break statement because after executing this yield statement, we return the control outside of the switch block. So break statement is not required. And if we write the break statement, we get the compile time error. And also normally default block is optional for the normal switch statement, but here we must write the default block, otherwise we get the compiler error. Another enhancements, case statement with arrow operator. Normally we use the semicolon at the end of the case statement. Now we can write the arrow operator. This arrow operator has total three forms. After arrow operator, you can just write the expression, it returns some value, or we can write the block of statements, or we can throw some exception. So look at this example. In this example, for January, March, May, July, August, October, September, we are directly returning the 31 here. Here we didn't write the block, so we can just specify the value. It simply returns to the number of days variable. So here we don't need to use the yield keyword. And here also rules are same. We don't need to use the break statement. If we use the break statement, we get the compiler error, and we must write the default block. And in the next example, we can use the block also to write the more than one statement. When we write the block, we must use the yield keyword to return the value from the switch expression. Here also same, we don't need to write the break statement, and we must write the default block, otherwise we get the compiler error. So these are the latest enhancements to the switch statement. These enhancements are really good to the Java programming language. So using these enhancements we can really optimize our code. So this is for all for today. Please like this video, If you have any questions, please comment below and share this video with your friends. Thank you.